and there is talk of other leaders making a beeline to join the BJP, and one of Mamta's ministers is in talks with the BJP. Dinesh Trivedi is not the only TMC leader planning to switch sides. What sources are telling Headlines Today, at least 6 TMC leaders could well switch sides and join the BJP. Headlines Today's Manogya Loiwal joins us with the latest. Manogya, what more can you tell us about TMC leaders wanting to join the BJP? We'll get to Manogya Loiwal in just a moment, but there is a major show of strength between the BJP and the TMC in Bengal, and of late there have been a number of TMC leaders who are in touch and some who've already joined the BJP in Bengal, but this could be a big name, Dinesh Trivedi. Now, what sources in the BJP are telling us that Dinesh Trivedi is already in talks. He's been sacked from the TMC, and what we're being told is he's well on his way. Trinamool MP from Barakpur, who had to resign as Railways Minister in 2012 after presenting the railway budget. Now, what we're being told is he's in talks with the BJP. He could well be trying to join the BJP. There are other TMC leaders who are in touch with the BJP also. And Manogya Loiwal joins us with the latest. Who are the other leaders, and what more do we know of Dinesh Trivedi?
Well, Gaurav, initially we have reports of Sadhan Pandey coming in and joining BJP next week for sure. There are other names also which are doing the rounds, and that also includes a lot more numbers, especially from North Bengal and other districts of West Bengal, who have been feeling that they are feeling either not well or feeling suffocated in the party, and that's the reason why most of them have been turning their way out and heading towards BJP. We have also been confirmed by several ministers that they would prefer joining BJP and sit and fight the contest elections again, rather than sitting in opposition of the central government, and that too in the state also, fighting it out at the party level. They have complaints against the Chief Minister's attitude as well as her handling of affairs, and of course the Sarda scam that has left the party completely tainted.
It has left the party tainted, and ahead of the Bengal elections, what we are being told is there is a virtual beeline, and it's the BJP that's saying, wait, no, just not as yet. Tell us more about the other TMC defectors who are keen to meet Amit Shah, and especially after the Bardwan rally.
Well, there has been an eerie silence that has been prevailing. I would not be wrong if I say that most of the leaders are hesitant in meeting in Bengal. Many of them have been rushing to Delhi on different occasions through different means and also different ways, and trying to meet the leaders there. And they have been in talks with not only Amit Shah but also Siddharthnath Singh as well as Arun Jaitley on the last meeting that was held here in West Bengal, when they held a rally here in Howrah, when Arun Jaitley was here to address the rally and the supporters here. It was a time when most of the leaders had also conveyed it to the party. Dinesh Trivedi has been taking the route of Gujarat. He's a Gujarati, and that's the reason why he has been very close to Narendra Modi. Earlier also, it's not for the first time that he's praised him. But in the past also, we've seen that there has been a souring of relationship between Dinesh Trivedi and Mamta Banerjee, especially after the fiasco of the railway budget that he presented, and he was asked to put down his papers on the same day. Now, that had left the souring of relationship between Mamta Banerjee and Dinesh Trivedi, and since then we've seen there has not been much, besides the fact that he had contested the election again on a TMC seat from Barakpur, but then the relationship did not come on the same page ever in the similar way.